Today, I'm going to show you how to connect two or more safeguard for privileged session instances and manage them from a central location. Imagine a situation in which your company receives high level of traffic, and as a result, you install several SPS instances. Now, you decide that you want to join all of your SPS instances into a cluster, and manage them from a central location. This allows you to check their status, update their configuration, or search for other information from the central node. It makes maintenance easier and saves you time as well. Let me walk you through the process. First, enable the cluster interface on each and every node that you want to be part of your cluster. This is how. Log on to any one of your SPS instances, select Basic Settings, then Local Services. Scroll down to the cluster interface. Enable the feature. You can now select the listening interface. Now, we can build a cluster. First, promote a node of your choice to the role of the central management node. Select Basic Settings, then Cluster Management. Let's now make this the central node. This warning lets you know that you won't be able to undo. Select OK. Well done. You now have a central node. You are now ready to join other nodes to your cluster. These will be your subnodes or minions. Select Basic Settings, then Cluster Management. Configuration options on this SPS node. For example, your connection policies will be overwritten, and it will now inherit the configuration of the central node. If you don't want that to happen, use a configuration synchronization plugin. Enter the IP of the central management node, select Join. This warning lets you know that you won't be able to undo. Copy the token, and click OK. Now, go back to your central node. Paste the token. This will connect the subnode or minion node with your central node. Well done, you now have a subnode added to your central node. From here, you just have to assign roles to the nodes and you will be able to manage cluster-wide configuration as well as central search from the central node. To enable the central search, first assign the search master role to your central node. This is how. Now, assign the search minion role to the subnodes. Search minion nodes must have the managed host role too, so, select managed host as well. Well done, you have now built your cluster and assigned roles to it. You can now use the central node to search for session information recorded by any of the nodes in your cluster. This is an example search recorded by SPS4. You can see the data recorded by SPS4 displayed on your central node. However, session data recorded by a node before it was joined to the cluster is not searchable centrally. And this is an example of data recorded by several subnodes viewed from the central node. Read more in the SPS admin guide. Or get in touch if you have any feedback or questions.